So you guys might know, I hit 200 subscribers. Okay. And, that's right. I got the paper play button. This is so epic. Look at this. So you get this for 200 subscribers, I'm pretty sure. But YouTube is a little stupid, I'll tell you why. So, I actually have 205 subscribers. So, they're a little late. Stupid YouTube. It's okay though, it's okay, you know. YouTube's always a little bit late. It's alright, sorry, I'll take it. Look at this. It's made out of 100% paper. Not a single of the material. Look at this. So cool. And they even left a nice... You can't just give a present without, like, any, you know, an explanation, I guess. I don't... Stupid. So then their one was, Dear Idiot, this is for you. Your videos are so bad, we had to let you know. I can't believe you have 200 subscribers. They are all probably bots. How dare you call my subscribers bots? I mean, like... Maybe they're bots, I don't know. But I'm so happy, YouTube. Thank you so much. I'm gonna hang this thing beside my bed. Thank you guys so much. I couldn't have this without you. Guys, so much. Thank you guys so much. I can't have this with you. I was literally so happy. I couldn't have this with you. Thank you, YouTube, so much. I'm quitting my YouTube channel.